Just check this out. दोस्तों, आज की हमारी रेसिपी 100% प्लांट बेस्ड दैट मीन्स इसमें कोई अंडा नहीं है, कोई डेयरी नहीं है और फ्लेवर इतना कमाल का है कि आप जज ही नहीं कर सकते कि दिस इज़ वीगन पाव बन्स मेड 100% with whole plant based ingredients. Just very simple ingredients and you can make them at your home. Let's make this. In a bowl, take lukewarm water, active dry yeast, and castor sugar. Mix them all together and keep it aside for 15 minutes until it bubbles up. Meanwhile, I'm chopping some fresh garlic to give my buns that garlicky flavor, but it is absolutely optional to add. After 15 minutes, our yeast is activated and it looks absolutely perfect. If your yeast looks like this, that means it is absolutely ready to use and we can now add all our other dry ingredients. Today I'm making this dough in a stand mixer. So first thing first, I'm adding active dry yeast, some refined flour, whole wheat flour, and after adding salt, with the help of hook attachment, we will mix up everything for 2 to 3 minutes so that a basic dough forms up. Once everything is mixed properly, we will add extra virgin olive oil. You can also switch to regular vegetable oil if you want. If you're comfortable with dairy products, then you can add ghee or unsalted butter in exact same quantity whatever is mentioned below. Now my favorite part, garlic. It is absolutely optional to add garlic. This is a personal choice. If you want to keep a plain bread, just skip this step. If you want some jalapenos or oreganos, whatever flavoring agent you want, you can add at this time. After kneading the dough for good 10 to 12 minutes, the gluten is absolutely formed, and now it's the time to rest the dough for 40 to 45 minutes until it doubles up. If you're trying the recipe for the first time, I will suggest to make a smaller batch for the first time. It is very important to keep the dough at a warm place so that the yeast can do its job. After approximately 45 to 50 minutes, our dough is double in size. दोस्तों, please apply some good amount of oil on your hands or you will end up like this. Seriously, I'm not joking. It was actually very messy at that time, but after applying the oil, you can see how easily it comes out. After kicking out all the air from the dough, we will now divide it into small balls of approximately 60 to 70 grams each. Please be gentle with the dough because it is actually very sensitive. Once the dough is divided in equal parts, now it is time to shape it into cute little balls. Make sure to apply a good amount of oil on the tray you are using to put up all the balls on it. Tada! Our shaping is done and now it's time for second proofing. After 35 to 40 minutes, this is exactly how it must look like. Usually at this time, we either apply egg wash or milk wash, but because we are not using any of those things, so I'm baking it as it is. 180 degrees Celsius for up to 25 minutes, our bread is baked properly. This is how beautiful it looks like after baking, and as soon as it comes out of the oven, it is very important to apply a good amount of extra virgin olive oil or any kind of fat, whatever you are using for the bread. I'm really sorry, but I really could not stop myself. Let me quickly show you कि ये कितने सॉफ्ट है. मतलब वाह. इसमें हमने इतना सारा गार्लिक डाला है ना, इसकी वजह से ये इतने फ्लेवरफुल और वाह. माय किचन इज स्मेलिंग लाइक गार्लिक गार्लिक. टू गुड. अब इसको पाव भाजी के साथ खा सकते हैं, वड़ा पाव बना सकते हैं. और कौन सी डिशेज़ हैं जो आप पाव के साथ खा सकते हैं, कमेंट्स में बताना.